Hello friends and welcome to our channel NutureMind, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. We are going to tell you about the benefits of French beans. Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos.
If you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell the reason to dislike so we can improve in our next videos. Let's proceed further.
French beans. The scientific name of French beans is Madison lemons. They belong to the family of Phaceolus vulgaris. There are about 150 varieties of French beans and come up in different shapes and colors. It is a versatile vegetable and is used all around the world in a variety of dishes. French beans is known by different names like green beans, string beans, snap beans, squeaky beans, and haircut beans. French beans are very nutritious and contain lots of nutrients like vitamin C, K, folic acid, and fiber. French beans reduce the risk of cancer and diabetes. It boosts the immune system and prevents free radicals. French beans reduce the risk of cancer as it contains chlorophyll. It blocks the carcinogenic effects of heterocyclic amines that are generated when grilling meats at a high temperature. It is preferred to pair the grilled food with green beans to avoid the risk. Reduce heart diseases. French beans contain flavonoids, which reduce the risk of heart diseases. It also prevents the risk of strokes, cardiovascular diseases, and prevent blood clots in arteries and veins. Prevent colon cancer. Green beans contain fiber, which prevents precancerous polyps that commonly lead to colon cancer. It also decreases the stress on the intestinal tract, promote bowel movements and digestive system. Green beans also reduce the risk of cancerous adenoma recurrence and colorectal cancer. Control diabetes. Green beans is found to manage diabetes. Boosts immunity. Green beans contain lots of antioxidants which prevent free radicals and boost the immune system of the body. Eye care. French beans contain some carotenoids which prevent muscular degeneration, vision deterioration, and maintains eye health. Improve bone health. French beans contain vitamin K, which prevents the risk of osteoporosis and bone deterioration. It contains silicon, which helps in bone regeneration and maintains bone health. Treat gastrointestinal issues. Green beans belong to the category of low FODMAP foods and are packed with fiber, which is a highly beneficial compound in our bodies. It helps to prevent constipation, hemorrhoids, ulcers, and acid reflux disease, and helps in maintaining the stomach to work properly. Fertility and pregnancy. French beans contain folic acid, which protects the infants in the womb and prevents neural tube defects. It also increases the fertility. Depression. Green beans contain folate, which prevents excess of homocysteine in the body. It increases the production of good hormones, reduces depression, and regulates mood, sleep, and appetite. How to buy and store French beans. Buy beans that can be snapped in half. Don't buy beans that are bruised or have some brown color over them. Store French beans covered in plastic in a refrigerator. that can be used for about a week. Safety profile. Individuals who are taking blood thinners should not suddenly change the amount of food they can eat that contains vitamin K, as it plays a large role in blood clotting. Green beans contain phytic acid, which can bond with the minerals and prevent them from being absorbed by the body. People who have a mineral deficiency should check with a doctor before consuming additional green beans. If you are suffering from allergy to green beans, then it is best to avoid them. You should consult the doctor before consuming them. Fun facts on green beans. There are more than 130 varieties of green beans. Green beans are a rich source of vitamins A, C, and K. It is important to rinse and drain canned beans to reduce sodium content. Green beans grow in the form of a bush that can reach 8 to 20 inches in height, or in the form of 7 to 10 feet long vine. Leaves of green beans can be green or purple in color. They are divided into 3 lobes and have smooth edges. Leaves are alternately arranged on the stem. Green beans produce white, pink, or purple flowers, which are usually pollinated by insects. Pod is edible part of the plant. It can be yellow, green, purple, or red in color. Each pod contains 4 to 6 beans. Most varieties of green bean have smooth, kidney-shaped beans. Green bean propagates via seed. It takes 45 to 60 days from planting to harvesting. Best known types of green beans are string type, stringless type, and runner beans. String type has either round or flat pod. Stringless types have pods without fibrous strings. Runner type grows in the form of a vine and is often used in a dry form. String that stretches along the pod is not very tasty. Botanist Calvin Keeney, also known as father of the stringless bean, removed the string from the pod via selective breeding in 1894. Green beans need to be cooked before consumption. Steaming, boiling, frying, and baking are the usual methods used for the preparation of dishes made of green beans. Green bean casserole is a popular dish made of green beans, mushroom soup, and onions. This dish is traditionally prepared for the Thanksgiving. Raw green bean contains high content of lectins, which can be harmful for human health. High temperature during cooking destroys lectins. China is the greatest manufacturer of green beans. It produces and exports over 15 million tons of green beans each year. Leaves of green bean are covered with miniature hair, which are used for trapping of the bed bugs. Green bean is annual plant, which means that it finishes its life cycle in 1 year. Green beans are the unripe young fruit and protective pods of various cultivars of the common bean. Green beans are known by many common names, including French beans, string beans, snap beans, and snaps. The green bean originated in Central and Southern America, and there is evidence that it has been cultivated in Mexico and Peru for thousands of years. They were grown by Native Americans who would plant them with corn and let the beans grow upstalk with corn. The crop was introduced to the Mediterranean region in 1492 by Christopher Columbus. By the 17th century, it was cultivated all around Italy, Greece, and Turkey. Today, It's an important crop virtually everywhere. Green beans form erect bushes from 20 to 60 centimeter, that is 8 to 20 inches tall, while pole or running varieties from vines from 2 to 3 meters, that is 7 to 10 feet long. The leaves alternate green or purple leaves, which are divided into 3 oval, smooth-edged leaflets, each 6 to 15 centimeter, that is 2 to 6 inches long, and from 3 to 11 centimeters, that is 1 to 4 inches wide. The white, pink or purple flowers are about 1 centimeter long, and they give way to pods from 8 to 20 centimeter, that is 3 to 8 inches long, and 1 to 1.5 centimeter, that is 0.4 to 0.6 inches wide. Green beans are eaten around the world and are sold fresh, canned and frozen. They can be eaten raw or steamed, boiled, stir-fried or baked in casseroles. There are only 31 calories in 100 grams, that is 3.5 ounces of green beans. Some US restaurants serve green beans that are battered and fried, such as green bean tempura. Green beans are also sold dried and or fried with vegetables such as carrots, corns and peas as vegetable chips. In home gardens, green beans are in fact the third most commonly grown garden vegetable in the United States, outranked only by tomatoes and peppers. The longest green bean was grown by H. Hurley of Fuquay Varina in North Carolina in USA in 1996. Grew to a length of 121.9 centimeters, that is 48.75 inches.